Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Allie, or Wavy Curly Allie. For those of you who do not know me, I am a healthy hair enthusiast, not a professional, just here sharing my tips and tricks on how to help you love your hair as it is naturally. So today I want to do something very different from anything that I've done, but why not? Because isn't that the beauty of this? So I wanted to show you how I'm going to color my hair with hair makeup. Yes, hair makeup. It's an at-home color from this wonderful company that you've heard me talk about many times, Curlsmith. So Curlsmith came out with some hair makeup. It's at-home color. It's actually hair gel that has pigment in it that you can apply to your hair when wet, so it works as a styler, and it shows up in this beautiful shiny glossy color. So I have a few colors on me here. There's also a ruby red, which I don't have to show you right now in front of me, but rose gold, copper, gold, and turquoise. So I actually have already gone ahead and tested this on a section of my hair. Not that I'm terribly concerned because Curlsmith has done me so good, but I always recommend testing a product on your hair in a small patch before you try it all over. So I went ahead and did that already in just a small section. I let it dry and just had a streak of turquoise in my hair actually for an entire day. And I wore a white t-shirt to make sure that it didn't rub off, and it didn't, which is incredible. So once it's 100% dry, this stuff does not bleed onto your clothes, and it does give you a nice shiny glossy color. So what I'm gonna do today, I'm actually going to try the rose gold on my hair, because I did patch this on a spot of my hair as well, and it turned out this really vibrant color, which I was surprised by. I assumed that having a lighter hair color this wouldn't show up as well, but it popped and I thought it looked really cool. So I'm gonna try this. I am not one to do something like this, use a hair color in my hair, so this is new to me. Let's just give it a try and see what happens. So I'm gonna put this all over. I'm gonna wash my hair first in this beautiful little box that Curlsmith sent to me. They sent me a Vivid Tones Vibrancy shampoo, as well as their Glow Perfecting conditioner. These are color safe items, which is perfect because I recently color treated my hair. I bleached it. If you're curious how I did that, there's a whole nother video on my channel about that. So I'm not gonna talk about that today, but I'm really excited to have these in my lineup. The timing was perfect. So I'm gonna wash, shampoo, condition, and then I'm going to put a little bit of leave-in in my hair and then apply this rose gold hair makeup. So I'll come back when my hair is soaking wet and I'll apply it so you can see how I apply it. I think I'm just gonna do it with praying hands, but we're gonna figure this out together. So I'll be right back with wet hair. I'm going to keep a spray bottle next to me to make sure that my hair stays really wet while I'm applying this product. I also have a detangling brush that I will be using to help me make sure that my hair is nice and detangled and that I can spread this pretty easily. So the last thing I need here is just a little claw clip. Just keep it on my towel here to help get my hair into sections. So y'all know I don't style upright too much, but I think to make sure that I evenly coat my hair in this product, I want to see every section of my hair. I'm going to separate it into 2 halves on the bottom and 2 halves on the top. So I guess in quarters. So I'm just going to make sure that my hair is sufficiently wet. Okay. If it starts clumping back together, I know it's wet enough. Now I'm going to take my rose gold hair makeup from Curlsmith. I'm going to use a fair amount. It's this beautiful rose gold metallic look, so see how this goes. This is a lot, but I really want to make sure that I sufficiently coat my hair in the product. This does rinse out very easily. Look at this. So again, all I put in my hair before this was a little bit of leave-in. So I'm gonna bear claw my hair like this to help create some clumps. And y'all, if you're not gonna do this in the bathroom, do everybody a favor and put a towel down on the ground. So I'll be right back. Okay, I'm just going to pulse this into my hair. Like so, starting to take shape. Right, I'm just gonna do the same thing on this side. Make sure my hair is sufficiently coated, wet. Detangle. Having that leave-in conditioner in my hair first is what's making this so much easier. I also like to detangle my hair before I shower. My hair gets really matted underneath pretty easily, so I just like to make sure that it's thoroughly detangled. So yes, I dry brush before I get into the shower. It makes it a lot easier just working in product. Hair is at its most fragile state when it's soaking wet, so you don't want to go too crazy. Now that that is clumping back together, it's wet enough, it's detangled, I'm just going to go in with some more product. The amount will vary depending on how much hair you have, but I use a pretty decent sized glob. And this is supposed to work on all shades of hair. So if you have darker hair, I've seen some of the photos from Curlsmith. It is stunning. The blues, the red, the gold looks amazing on darker shades of hair. And as I mentioned, I was actually really surprised by how much this popped on my light hair. I just assumed it's a lighter color and it wasn't gonna stick out as much, but y'all will see what it looks like when it's done. All right, let's do the top section. I'll speed through some of this so you'll not have to watch all of it. Okay, so it's all in. I am going to step back into the bathroom, flip my hair upside down, maybe add a little bit more water, make sure that I'm gonna check in the mirror, make sure that I got enough color all the way up near my roots so it doesn't look like a straight line that I might have missed. Might re-wet it a little bit if I need to, and then I'm going to diffuse to 100% dry, and then I'll come back and we'll see what it looks like. I'm a little nervous. All right, we'll be back. All right, guys, this is it. Move my head around a little bit so you can get a sense for the color. It is this beautiful, shiny, glossy rose gold. Try to get in there. I'm right in front of a window too, so I'm getting a little pop of light as well, but I'll just kind of move my hair around so you can get a sense of what it looks like. Again, I just diffused to 100%, and this is what we got. This was so easy to apply. This is really easy to wash out. When I did my patch test and I put it on 2 smaller sections of hair underneath, I just put water in my hair and it rinsed right out. So it's really easy to get out if you do want something that's nice and temporary, but it doesn't stain clothes. So I'm wearing a lighter shirt and there's nothing on my shirt. So I'll keep an eye on it throughout the day, but again, when I patch tested my hair, I left it on all day and it didn't bleed, so I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I hope that this has been helpful. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to drop them in the comments. I'm happy to answer. Otherwise, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you can, and I'll continue bringing you the videos that you guys love the most.